Hello, welcome to today's episode of Ask HR with Beatrice Dinya. Today I have a question that I think all of us can relate to: making mistake at work, especially one that costs the company a significant amount. We've all been there, right? It can be tough, but what's even tougher is the worry that it might stick with us forever. So let's talk about how you can regain trust and prove you are still a valuable team member even after a major blunder, a major mistake. First, let's get one thing straight. We've all made mistakes. Honestly, I can't think of a single person I've worked with who has not made a mistake that cost something. It could be time, it could be money, or even just a little bit of faith. I know it feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders when it happens, but what really matters is what you do next. So you've already apologized and you're working to fix the issue, which is great. That shows responsibility and accountability, which is quite huge. But here's the thing: one mistake does not define your entire career or your value to the company. So if I were in your shoes, this is what I would do: acknowledge the mistake. Again, but briefly. So it feels like you've apologized already, but sometimes it's helpful to acknowledge it one more time. But keep it very brief, very short. Don't be tempted to dwell on it. It's about showing that you take responsibility without wallowing in self-pity or guilt. You could say something like, I know the error I made has caused a setback for the team, and I want to assure you that I'm working to fix it. That's it. Don't over-apologize. Just show that you're actively addressing it. Another thing to do is focusing on the solution. Now, here is where you really want to shine. Focus on what you are doing to fix it. If you've already started the process of making things right, keep that momentum going. Update your manager or teammates regularly on your progress. Showing that you're solution oriented is a huge trust builder, a very huge one. If things are not perfect yet, they'll see your dedication and the steps you're taking towards making things right. Also, give it time. Gaining trust does not happen overnight. Gaining trust is like filling a bucket of water one drop at a time. You might feel uncomfortable at first, but don't rush the process. Let your actions speak louder than your words. It's not about the things you say, but about the things you do. Just keep doing great work, stay consistent, and be patient. Be patient with yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself some grace. It's easy to spiral into thinking this mistake has defined you or defines you, but it really doesn't. We all mess up. What matters is how we handle it afterwards. If you show that you're committed, you're reliable, you're willing to learn, people will see that more than the mistake you've made. Making a mistake at work feels like a huge deal in the moment, but it's also an opportunity to show your true character. If you've already apologized, you're fixing the issue, and you're showing growth, you're well on your way to regaining trust. Just remember, one mistake will not ruin your career unless you let it. It's how you handle it afterwards that counts. Have you ever had to bounce back from a big mistake? Drop a comment and share how you handled it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on another episode of Ask HR with Beatrice Dinya.